like December 22nd or something. We're in Minnesota. It's like 40 degrees, so we're gonna work on this thing a little. I got the Harbor Freight tool set. I highly doubt this thing is unlocked. I'm sure it's still stuck, but I'm gonna pull the plugs out and we're gonna see if it'll spin over. So still stuck. It won't even move. I don't know if it's the transmission or the rear end that's stuck. Well, I think one tire in the back rotates, so, and it should have a torque converter in the setup, but I don't know for sure. But I can't even get that to move, so I'm gonna just throw my cheap jump box on here and see if it happens to just either spin over or destroy the starter or wreck something. But what's the worst that's gonna happen? It's already locked up. I'm probably gonna have to put a big block Chrysler in here. My little big jump box. Pretty sure this thing's a negative ground. It's a 6-volt system, but nothing sparked. This jump box got live power. Oh yeah, this key's a joke, isn't it? Yeah. Let me see if I can just... No, that's a starter though. It's a voltage regulator, I think. Nothing. The starter's junk. Or is that the blower motor spinning? It's right there, Matthew.
Sounds like down there.
That's what I thought. Yeah, solenoid working now. I've had the starter out. Pretty sure it works, but for some reason it ain't spinning like it should be. Let me see if this thing is a positive ground. Maybe we're just spinning the starter backwards. I don't know. I know there's tractors that are newer than this that do it, and I know some of these cars are like that too. It spins both ways. So I don't know which way to spin it. Maybe push the clutch in and see if it moves something in there. the battery that I took out of here was hooked up normal with the negative ground. Let's try it again. No. Well, the wipers work. I don't know if you guys can see that, but well, you might as well see if the radio works. There ain't nothing else this car is good for. Just kidding. I got it registered. I got a title for it even, so. Turn the lights on. See if we get any tail lights. No. We ain't got no headlights. I know that because there ain't no headlights in it.
Oh, no way. You got dash lights.
Oh, yeah, dash lights. Maybe the tail lights are on now. No. I don't know what to do. What's this switch do? Oh, that's your trip. Yeah, well, it was moving. I think that's just a head bright switch on the floor. Press the switch on the floor.
He's down anymore.
It's stuck. I don't think that's a starter in this one. No dead bodies yet. But yeah, I think if I can't get this thing unstuck here, I'm gonna try to bring it. Well, it's middle of December, so I think this car's got to wait till either spring or summer, where I can lift the car up without getting soaked, and when it's cold, you can start putting the plugs back in without getting soaked or being cold. But let's get this unhooked. I don't know where I put the ratchet. Right here. The extension's right there on the battery box. I like this Harbor Freight tool set. I used to have one at my last job. I loved it. But if either this spring or summer we're gonna get this car put up in the air, and I'm gonna really pry on the flywheel because I can't pry on it when it's laying on the ground. But if this motor's freed up, so far it looks like all I need is a coil. Carburetor looks new. 70 years ago. The carburetor works. I mean, not works, but it's all freed up, so I don't know. I really hope I can get this thing unstuck. I just tried recording a video of this for you guys, but thanks for watching.